Did you know there's a 1-second magic hidden in your iPhone photos? It's not just a regular picture, it's a live photo. Today, let's unlock its secret tricks. Open your camera, tap the live button in the top corner, and when you hit the button, it captures 1.5 seconds before and after. Now your photo isn't just a moment, it's a whole memory in motion. Tap Edit at the bottom, then select Live. Now you can pick a new moment as your cover. Just choose your favorite moment and click Make Key Photo. And tap Done. If your photo has a messy background, just tap Live in the top corner and switch to long exposure. Watch as moving cars vanish and clutter disappears, like magic. Select multiple live photos. Tap Save as Video in the bottom right. And boom, you've got an instant mini vlog. Shared a live photo, but it didn't move? Easy fix. Just tap the top right menu, Save as Video. Then a 3-second clip is made. You can send it to your friends now. You can also set your live photos as a moving wallpaper. Hit the Share button. Select Use as Wallpaper. Turn on the live icon. Now your lock screen comes alive. You can also make an animated sticker to send your friends. Choose a contact. Tap Plus. Then tap Stickers. Pick a live photo. Your iPhone will magically cut out the subject and turn it into a moving sticker. They're free to send via iMessage. Live photos bring your pictures to life. Try these tricks and make your memories move. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow. See you next time.